Here's how to make sure that your content from vertical videos that you post on social media stays within a frame before you post. I'm gonna show you how you can do this within a couple of clicks inside Adobe Express. Let's get started. I have a design here that I did for one of these series where I'm riding my motorcycle and sharing some lessons about business. Now, when I wanted to post this, I noticed that all I saw at the very top were margins, which are not really helpful for what I'm trying to do. I don't see the safe zones that we're allowed to use inside Adobe Express. So to find that, I'm just gonna close my layers, bring down this timeline, and I'm gonna go back to resize. I wanna make sure that I resize this again because when I originally did this, I did this outside of Express and it had a much larger size like you see over here. Even though it's still vertical, it wasn't reading it. So what you do is you just resize it, let's say for an Instagram story, then click on resize. Adobe Express is gonna do its magic, resize it for me. Now I see safe zones up here. I can toggle this on and I'll toggle it to show the safe zones and I can check out for different areas. So let's say Instagram story, a reel, a LinkedIn video ad. And once I see all that, now I see this little blue outline that is showing up and letting me know where my content may likely be cut off. This is where I can start making some design decisions. As I'm looking through some of my content, I can see there may be some areas that might get cut off. So I can use that to my advantage, adjust it, and then I can click on download, save the file, and I will know that my content will stay within those safe zones by using Adobe Express. Thanks for watching. We have an entire playlist where you can learn more right over here.